Hello, good morning. It's Monday the 4th. I'm FX Plu and this is the market brief. So the Bank of England looks in rather stark contrast to the Fed at the moment. Powell's Fed has acknowledged they were a little flippant about rising inflation last summer, but they have got on with the task in hand, fixing the problem once that penny dropped. Meanwhile, Bailey's Bank of England, they've agreed that they underestimated the rate of inflation acceleration, but their 25 basis point rate hikes demonstrate no significant effort to correct the error. Yet here we are. The MPC seems unsure how they can combat inflation without tipping the economy into recession. But the dovish hikes that we've seen so far, they've had no significant effect on inflation. Boris has been on. He had to react to the latest Tory scandal where his Deputy Chief Whip resigned for getting a little bit handsy with some male colleagues after a few too many shandies. Boris lamented the premise that he's expected to listen to tittle, tattle and rumour rather than waiting for the facts to emerge. But Boris, where these rumours amount to sexual harassment, surely it wouldn't be unfair to act first and investigate in the aftermath. In the market last week, sterling broke below 120 against the dollar. We bounced back from 119.75 though. We opened this morning around 121 against the dollar and around 116 against the euro. Over in the US, the inflation debate is creeping down to Main Street. TV coverage has now increased as inflation reached 8.6%. And the everyman is beginning to feel the pinch. Powell says that the Fed is committed to tackling inflation, but the end of the low interest rate, low inflation economy can't be ignored forever. The 2% target for the Fed fund rate is now a thing of the past, and once inflation starts to fall, we can probably expect the Fed to announce a new higher level for their interest rates to target. Last week, the dollar index returned to strength. We touched a high of 105.65 and euro dollar opens around 104.30 this morning. We have non-farm Friday this week. Current forecasts suggest around 250,000 new jobs were created in May, but a strong number here may help the dollar break fresh ground and post new highs for the year. More on that later this week. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.